To enroll your devices into GoAnalytics, go to the Add-in Management module on your GeoTab page. Once the list of installed add-ins appears, click on the GoAnalytics add-in. From there, you can enroll all of your devices by simply clicking the Enroll All button. If you prefer to enroll only specific devices, select the ones you want. Click the Change Plan button, choose the Go GPS plan, and then click Confirm. If you don't see the Add-in Management module, navigate to the People section on your GeoTab page, click Users and Drivers, select your user account, and make sure your authentication type is set to Basic Authentication and your security clearance is set to Administrator. For any questions or assistance, please reach out to us at support@goanalytics.app.